Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your healing tints in Expedition 33. If you're unaware what the healing tints are, they are basically the healing items that you have in possession during a battle. On the screen, it's showing it can heal for 100%, but this won't be the case if you haven't upgraded your healing tints. To upgrade them, then there are two ways to get the only two upgrades for your healing tints. The first upgrade you can get when you finish and beat the final boss inside the Flying Waters dungeon, so you won't really miss this no matter what you do. For the second one, the entrance is deep inside Siren. Go to this part of Siren, Suing Atelier, and follow the path that I'm showing you. I'm going to speed it up a bit so you can see the path faster. Once you've reached inside the manor, smash this mirror right here, and it should be just right down below for you to collect. And that's how to upgrade your healing tints in Expedition 33.